The last conscious moments of my daughter's life were alone in the back of an ambulance, dying a needless, painful death because of our nation's barbaric for-profit healthcare system. And she says that I'm begging them to do some testing and they won't do anything. They said that I need to go get insurance and see a specialist. And all I could do was just tell her, fight, Shalyn, fight, please, please fight. Don't die. And right before she passed in my arms, I told her I love you so much and you will not have died in vain. My life changed in 2015 when I experienced what 35,000 other families experience every year. My daughter Shalyn was 22 years of age. She had a blood clot, a preventable disease. We're talking about a couple $1,000s of treatment. I don't want any other person to go through that pain for the profits of a corporation. So that's how I got started in activism. I threw my first healthcare rally after that. And I knew then the power that people had if they started organizing and started sharing stories. All of us are hurting. And once we find that commonality amongst our community members, then we can start having those human conversations and start talking about the solutions. We are not Democrat versus Republican. We are people who are in the same boat. We're all struggling the same way.
What Amy has had to go through, no parent should have to go through. And what she has done, which is incredibly courageous, rather than just accepting her grief and mourning the loss of her beautiful daughter, in memory of her daughter, she is doing everything that she can to make sure no other parent has to experience what she has experienced. Everybody has a story. Everybody knows somebody or is somebody in this room who is working 2 or 3 jobs in order to provide for the family. And there is the story of somebody who's getting sick today and not going to the doctor because they don't know how they can pay the bill. The elderly who are cutting their prescription drugs in half, their pills in half, because they can't afford the outrageous cost of medicine in this country. And the international embarrassment of the United States being the only major country on earth not to guarantee health care to all people. Health care is a human right, not a privilege.